Hi friends, welcome to Testing Today Response. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about introduction to Python functions. Okay, what is function means? A group of related statement that perform a specific task that is called as a function. Okay, what we can see in the real world means, see, imagine you have a login page. Every time all the test case your login page is mandatory. Then you have to create one function for that and you need to reuse into all the places. This is a real time. Normal example also we can say that why we required function we can able to reuse that code, right? See, normal times if you are not using any function, just you are writing 100 lines of login page and remaining operation all 100 one or two pages is there. Okay, if it is 100 test cases are there, 100 places you need to repetition codes we need to write to reducing the repetition, and we need to reusing that reusable codes, then we need to use for function. And also larger and larger application we are creating, larger and larger codes we are writing, then that moment also it is required to create the function, and this function it will divides like separation for the breaking all the codes and it will reuse it. Okay, the syntax of function is def is the method to like in Java or C sharp we are using for access modifiers, right? Public, private, protector, like that. It is a one kind of access modifier, and then function name, and we are going to use for parameters, and doc statement for declaring for what exactly this method is going to tell, and statements. The statements is the method of body execution. Okay, we can able to return type also we can able to use for function, or else without return type also we can able to use. We'll see both the cases here now. Okay, now I'm going to create one function def my underscore function, and I'm going to specifying name, and column I'm specifying here. Then and here I'm going to make it for if condition. If, and my syntax is doc statement. First I need to mention first doc statements. Okay, in here I need to mention this is my first doc string, and then I need to print, and here I need to use for hello space plus name plus double quotation space how are you, and I'm going to execute for this method, this function, my function I'm specifying for Lokesh. Okay, now I'm going to enter this one. Now you can see hello Lokesh, how are you? Okay, this is a way we can able to create for a function, and that we can able to use, and the same function we can able to use for reusable method, a return type. Okay, same method we'll use it here. If name equal Lokesh, then you can print this statement, otherwise else again print he, he is not Lokesh. Okay, I'm specifying like this, and you can see now execute now. You can see hello Lokesh is presented. Now I'm going to use for Loki. Now again I'm executing now. You can see now he is not a Lokesh. Okay, this is a way we can able to use for function, normal functions and return type of functions also we can able to use. And also we can able to print for doc statement using this double underscore doc and double underscore doc. This is a one we can able to print for our doc statements. And see this docs also it will create. This is my first doc. Sorry, my function is there now. See my doc statement is presented in the top. And also return type I already explained that the syntax is return type and expression what expression we need to provide. Okay. And also the scope and limitation of the variable is nothing but there are two kind of uh, lifetime is the function which is the function you created, right? That function lifestyle is nothing but whenever you use this function is provided the life until you are using. Once your execution and everything is completed, that every function is null means empty. It will not do for any operation. The life cycle will be end. Okay, how what type of functions mean there are some built-in functions are presented, user-defined functions are there. Built-in functions, there are couple of things are presented. In that, I am taking for ABS and all the function, and we have so many like 300 above plus built-in functions presented. Okay. Now I taking for two examples here only for ABS and all. ABS nothing but is the absolute value number it will present, and all means it will return when all elements in iterable is true. When it is all is true, then it will give for true. That is the format we can able to use for inbuilt functions. User defined function means just now we saw, right? This is the function we created and we are using. These are kind of thing we are going to create the functions and we are going to be using in our relative methods. To creating reusable method purpose, we are creating the functions. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.